Okay. Good morning. I wanna about this broadcast. Yeah? Kawa metromaka na share button. Click on like and love. Kaibapu also. Click on like and love. Kaibapu also. Good morning, my wonderful people. Share this video. Click on like and love. Amanda is the Yes, click on like and love. Click on like and love. All the fans of Ezugo and all the fans of Ogeshoke Kenjaka. You understand? When you join all this broadcast, you click on like and love. Hey, oh mama loma. Nkenega kam nolo. Amangwachere, anamabia onnem. I'm coming, oh. Gambia, I'm coming. So, all the fans of Ezugo and Ogeshoke, but now, Chisom, Ngwachere Gambia, can make program. Click on like and love. Share this video. Zadak. Okay, first of all, I want to thank all the fans of Ogeshoke Kenjaka. The truth is that not yesterday, Kamma Kaweti Ogeshiha online. Yes. Yesterday, Kamma Kaweti Ogeshiha online. Uncle, good morning, sir. You see? Yesterday, Kamma Kaweti Ogeshoke Kenjaka online. A other go. I was going to Ngobala yesterday. Upon Owerekanna Bata because I left Nnewi very early. So, Christy, Owerekanna Bata yesterday, we received a call about what happened in Nnewi. And by that time already, Abagomu almost, in fact, man about a hole where you wake up where Bagomen Ngobala and people who will be traveling back to Abuja today who are waiting for me, where. And it is not something I can turn because now I have mobilized a lot of things. So we have to go. And when I got to Ngobal, I was following up because network would do very bad in that place. Up until in the night when I entered in Nnewi around after 8 in the night. That was when I entered in Nnewi. So throughout that yesterday, my phone every second, every minute, people were calling me from all over the world. People were calling me. People were even offering help in the best way they can. That is why I said that fans who geshi ha wo chenchin. Even when Ogeshi no under custody, they were still showing him love. They were still there, still showing her love. I mean, now let me go to what happened. You see, now asịrị na egwu aha atụ afọ oburu ụzọ. Some people can be so daft. Some people can be so daft that na asị na oke na ife a n'ihi eme ime ihe ka iwe gosi na ekwu n'ihi eme. When you people, my happiness today is that it is no more Ogechi cannot come back to Nigeria. You gotta go. It is no more Ogechi cannot come back to Nigeria. At least it has proven to everybody that Ogechi is back to Nigeria. You gotta go. This one has proven to people that Ogechi is back to Nigeria, his fatherland. Now, as for the arrest, I told a lot of people, Umazi Acherunu no kamnenu program neme na chisom na Omarisha. But no ha na onu. Kamme program neme. You gotta go. At least a same person should know that when Ogechi was coming back, what happened yesterday, Adro least expected. So I'm not expecting it to come to you as a shock. You gotta go. I'm not expecting it to come to you as a surprise. I'm not expecting it to come to you as a shock or for it to come to you as a surprise that some people, a blue camera, some content creators who has decided and choosing to create content with anything possible. A blue camera now, I am Orilanyan Demo. I am Orilanyan Demo. Orilanyan Demo win local government chairman. Orilanyan Demo win common local government chairman. That one or Orilanya. You gotta go. We know the real players. We know the real players in this game. Happen umoke no umo chusha na magale na classic munition na magale benine. We know the real players. Yes, and those real players are the people we are interested in. Obulu umoke no umo chusha na magale. E gotta go nde ediri ozi maka na ha nwere oke efe. E gotta go ozi ka ediri fa. Ha je ozi ediri fa. E gotta na so mkpotu ni na na-enye I am Orilanyan ndị Imo. I am this. We know the real players here. Happen umu oke, no umu chucha, do jobless na akwugari. Yeah? Nde ya wugala la medi ha. Heje na amagari. Unu nwere oke efe. Now, nevertheless, my opinion, no uru na-eme mmadụ arrest na Facebook, has always been that arrest is not bad. Remember, I've always said that. Okay, say, this is not even time to start crying for sympathy. I am not for one somebody who supports somebody crying for sympathy, because what happened, like I said, is not least expected. Nevertheless, what you need to do is to make sure that you prepared yourself well. Is to make sure that you prepared yourself well. For a lot of people, and the people like Nwikuku, I know you, Nwikuku. I know you. You have come out to come and celebrate arrest Ogechi. But I arrest you also. A very sympathy. We know you. We know where you belong. That is why some of you gonna pretend there. No waver. I tell you straight ahead. You may not agree with me. But the time and the event we make you to unfold and show yourself for people to see. We know where you are standing. A lot of you who has condemned arrest and they intimidate the mother and they threaten people with arrest. You are now celebrating arrest because now somebody you don't like has been arrested. Yet you have agreed, you have now concurred with us. Ogechi's arrest is a test. It is a test for us to actually check and know if you support arrest or is it that now your favorite person cannot arrest. And you people have all proven to us that arrest is good, arrest can be celebrated. Na uzienu jela howola. Ona atupugolu nkoto okpukpo. Na uzienu jela howola. At the end of the day, ọkwa ndị ahụ ediri ozi, ndị mgbaji ozi a, ụha ka ọ ya ha n'isi. Ọkwa ndị mgbaji ozi a. Because just like I said before, we know the real players. I arrested Matthias after 8 days or 1 week. 1 week and day. Ejwe arrested Matthias. Jegido after much oyo and everything. Matthias Epota. Somebody, I don't want to call them, somebody say, now somewhere they make call, that Nafano somewhere they make call, that they don't really need to be on ground. Now somewhere they make call. After 1 week, you arrest Matthias. You believe Una Matthias in Merifo supposedly may wear pota. Barely 24 hours age you arrest Ogechi. Ekunavanenu from nowhere. Ekunavanenu. Let me state my stand clear again. I gotta go before I actually talk to the genuine fans of Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Because yesterday, what I saw yesterday, I thought Ogechi just went for fan base online. I never knew Ogechi Nwelu, a solid squad on ground. And I will advise you as a content creator, go and build the kind of fan base Ogechi Okeke Njaka Nwelu. If you cannot build the kind of fan base Ogechi Okeke Njaka Nwelu, ọwụrụ na mụ onye chọrọ igwu ndị mmadụ wayo, mma eji yesterday gwu ndị mmadụ wayo. Na ọwụrụ na mụ onye chọrọ igwu ndị mmadụ wayo, mma eji yesterday wee gwu ndị mmadụ wayo. Because people we are calling Ezugbo, the reason why we are calling is tell us if you need us. Is there anything you want us to do? Omarisha potano ka menu progress ya onwa na pata kan go ife kambia kan go ife you got to go. Yeah? You got to go. So I saw the genuine love and fans. I saw the genuine love yesterday. People were calling me every minute. My phone anako. This one anako. This one anako. This one anako. Phone na ring practically every 1 second. And all day anako. This is a test. Ogechi Okeke Njaka coming into Nigeria is going to put shame in the faces of some of you. Yes, you think she did not know that it will happen? In your mind, do you think we did not know? And if you are expecting me to come and start crying the way you people are crying, now arrest you are making a biggest mistake of your time. You got to go. Arrest the intimidation. We are not crying for intimidation. It is not intimidation. Yes, you feel need aggrieved. You went to the police. Yes, let the matter be settled. That is it. If you are expecting us to turn around from what we are preaching and start crying for sympathy, you are making a great joke. Arrest arrest Unu nwa akwụkwọ ndị mere arrest gbajebe na police station jekwuru ebe a na-asị onwezi ndị otu Ogechi bịara kelee ebe fanu unu nwa nyụrụ ahụ unu nwa gbapụtakwara bịa na-ajụ kelee onye nyụrụ ịghọtago ndị mgbaje ozi unu nwa ka eji wee jee ozi maka na ọ bụrụ unu jere ozi n'unu nwa ka eji wee jee ozi iriwugo nni o wee wule gị ejima arrest unu nwa ndị mgbaje ozi unu nwa gbajekwa wolukwa speed jebe n'ugbo ruo n'ugbo kwukọrọ dị a na-eti onwekwa onye otu Ogechi afụrụ hia kele ife unu chọ ka ndị otu Ogechi bịa mee oge arrest Matthias unu gwara anyị no contact ka a na-eme that you people must not need to be there. I ask you people, why is it that 5 days, 4 days, 1 week eji wee arrest Matthias, none of you showed up in force headquarters? Now barely how many hours eji wee arrest Ogechi Okeke Njaka? You people ran to Ugbo to go and start raising alarm. For what? 5 days to 1 weekend day. Matthias is on detention. You did not show your face there. But you love Ogechi Okeke Njaka so much. Thank you people for loving her. But allow Ogechi and the fans and the people like us to carry it. Don't worry. Allow us to carry it. We have never come to tell you that, okay, we have lost direction. Even if we have lost direction, I have always been in support of police is the best way to settle issue. If you are expecting me to come and start crying the way you people are crying, you are making a serious mistake. Onwa, Adeku, Oku family, Oku Nabo. You want to go? Onwa, Adeku, Oku Nabo. I don't talk from two sides of my mouth. You want to go? Okay. Let me start blocking people. I told you people that this year is not for nonsense. Kelonya. Okay. Freedom stand. Because that send the angry emoji. When I send this angry emoji, let me. You see? Let me start blocking them. Okay. Yes. So, if you want me to block you, or if you want, me to ban you, you are free to drop any nonsense. Okay. Emma Onyekachuku. Yes. Just my fans and my lovely people not here. Only one that do nonsense here. You people should go and highlight on his comment so that I block that person immediately. We are not crying like you people. You want to go? I've always been an advocate of go to police. Police is the easiest way to settle problem. Yes. Nobody who first call police, they win. We have always been advocate of that. You have called police. Go back home and sit down. Let us settle the issues. Police. You are waiting for us to come out and start crying. We did not do so. Police. Raise maybe video from all angles. Maybe video at the whole hotel. Maybe video. I call you people content creators. So I am not that video alone of saying that you arrested Ogechi Njaka is going to give you the money Facebook since money yeri your swung nimi. Common local government chairman win. He win common local government chairman money wo Lilanya Ndimo nile. Mana e wumu ho Lilanya Ndengobala. Ngobala wo your hometown. You could not conquer your home. Epota Lilanya Ndimo. Local government chairman of how many wards? Yeah? How many political wars? You couldn't win. Yeah? So, you people should go and sit down. All the genuine fans of Ogechi Njaka, all the Ezugo nation, who are calling me for update and for this, I will tell you people to sit down and relax. Sit down and relax. Everything is under control. Everything is under control. We are doing the best we can. We are doing the best we can. We are going to show them something different from what they understand, the language they speak. The moment they know to her, arrest to her, they will come out and start crying. They will start raising alarm everywhere. They were surprised that we did not do that. They were surprised that we did not do that. They came out and they started crying. They even flooded the police station. Who is asking for your help? Who is asking for your help? Did you go there to see Ogechi because you miss Ogechi? You have not seen Ogechi before. You want to see Ogechi real life. It is understandable if you tell us that. So, you people should not be bothered. Police, my brothers. I said it when Matthias was arrested. I said it when Nigeria was arrested. I said it when a lot of people were arrested. I said, police, police, okay. Matthew Shidon, Zuzu out of this place. Pa, if you let me go now, they are intimidating Ogechi. They are intimidating Ogechi. Who told you that when Ogechi was coming into Nigeria, that she doesn't know that something like this will happen? Who told you that? Who told you that? I'm telling you, trying to prove to people that you have arrested Ogechi. What point? What point? With this, we already know that it will happen. It did not come as a shock. I block going sharp sharp. I block going. You got to go. It did not come to us as a shock. So it is shocking to see that now no you made something na Facebook. Police there. You were in expecting a police here. I expected that you have. It's either the program will go well. It's either you win or you lose. If you lose, it's still part of it. You will learn from it. If you win, then you know that at least what you have done, you have done the right thing. Mana police bia unaputa na intimidation. They are intimidating you. Have we ever cried to you? You go from now they intimidate you, Ogechi. They have called police for her. Go back home and listen. You want to go? Ogechi is not the first person to be arrested and she will not be the last person. It is still in line with my message. It is still in line with my message. But what I am saying is that we know the real players. Those Umweku Kena Bagali, they are not the real players. You want to go? Ogechi fans, Ogechi nation are equal to the task, 100%, and Ogechi is equal to the task. That is one thing I will tell you. So, cry for nobody is begging for your sympathy. When you arrest somebody, in detention, you just say the line. Okay, now they arrest you. Okay, let us come to you and reason with you. Then we follow you. Ohango ye na police station. Don't allow na check you man no ye abiafo. He just in a police station. He just don't allow na check you man no ye abiafo. Because na do happen onye arrest. Is that how it's been done? You ought to go. Is that how it's been done? All they arrest young mother. Only they said Ogechi is begging them to settle. That is Ogechi. That is Ogechi. Ogechi is entitled to do anything she wants to do. I cannot tell her what she will do. And that has always been my message. Yes, when Ijere was arrested, Ijere had all the options. Ijere showed Ijere show, Honorisi, let us go to court. Ijere no, Honorisi, let us do this. It is entirely his decision and those people who love him. Not crying and a back weapon in it and I point back with his fingers. Since yesterday. Okay. She done. Yes. Confirm. Tell another person. Another person. Okay. Francis Nweze. Umuegu. Blocked. What Patafa? Look at. Nde nwere oke efe. Unu niile nwere oke efe. Unu nwere oke efe o. Unu niile nwere oke efe. Ono na welu tata. Onwebeghi onye fans ndị niile na-asị na ha like Ogechi. Nobody has been here. Nobody has been here. Onwebeghi any of them bịaru here. Ndị ọma Emeka. Ndị ọma Emeka. Ndị ọma Emeka. Ezigbo mmadụ. Unu niile ewucha ndị ezigbo mmadụ. Unu niile ewucha ndị ezigbo mmadụ. Afụrụ m unu. Unu alụ ọfụ ka Ogechi. Unu nọ ha na arrestịrị ya. Unu buruzieri ndị ahụ fụrụ ya n'anya ụzọ. Jeri na police station ka unu je kpọpụta ya. Kelee ebe ọ nọ. Gwana na ebe unu kpọpụtara ya ọ nọ. Ka anyị je buru ya from ebe a. Ka lụzie driver alụọ. Onye ọ na-akpụ obe. Onye ọ na n'ime unu na-akpụ obe. Yes. Nakpuonu. We know the real players. Ndị mgbaji ozi ya nọ na nkọ. Na ọ ga-adụ na unu ejegozie dị ilo unu. Ịghọtago, unu ejegozie dị ilo unu. So nakpuonu. Okay. Ibe Valentine. He draw attention more to somebody. Okay. Afro nya n'oge. And that is why Oji when we got idekwa another comment again. So blocked. You see? Unu ejegozie dị ilo unu. Nakpuzienu. Let us stop. Ka imezie ife ntu esi eme ife. Yes. Ogechi show you nya je yoba. It is her case. You gotta go. We are there to help out. It is still her case at the end of the day. You gotta go. It is still her case.
at the end of the day. So unu aṅụzina panadol n'isi na-awa onye ọzọ. Unu aṅụzina panadol n'isi na-awa onye ọzọ. Ịghọtago? Ogechi traveled by herself to Nigeria. You did not drag her with rope. And when she came back, she did not hide. It was no sense. So you don't have sense. You don't have common sense. When Ogechi came back, she did not hide. Other event, Ogechi had opportunity to say, okay, I don't want to show any video. I will show a video after I've left Nigeria. But she came back. The very day she started making video, she even went to hotel Eba. She went to hotel Eba in case when they show na haji interwetra here. No, Ogechi was actually making live broadcast na classic Munish Ebono. Yes, Keloya Deva. Okay. Nevertheless, Ogechi was making a live video. Now, hotel, Ebon, to show you that no day is so, and yet Umwefeke and Umwefulefu, Nebohano, Nepueli. You want to go? Umwefeke, Nebohano, Nepueli. Now, this is one thing I want you to understand. You have seen that at the end of the day, arrest is not bad after all. You have seen that at the end of the day, anybody can be arrested according to what I have always said. You have seen that at the end of the day, that those people telling you that accusation is always threatening people with arrest. You have seen that at the end of the day, they can also arrest if they have the opportunity. Now, what I am saying is, in case there is any subsequent arrest, I want you to maintain the position I am maintaining today. You have never seen me cry to you. You have never seen me ask for your sympathy. You have never seen me begin to accuse anybody. Have you seen me done that? So, this is what I will want you to do in case any other person is arrested tomorrow. And this is what I have been preaching. Do not mercy for us. Do not mercy for us. You want to go? Arrest is not the end. You want to go? Ohonye polo police na emeri. Mana onye polo police nwere ike meri ya. You want to go? Mana equal police. What it shows is that you want us to talk about this issue. So you should give room for that issue to be talked about. You don't have to call police. You know, can they call police? They did not do that. Probably because they have one or two things they feel they can do. Allow them to do what they want to do. Stop coming out. In fact, mere arrest ya n'ụtụtụ. Nọgide na ugbo oruo na mgbede kedu ife nọ dị eme? Can't you go home? Kedu ife na-ebe ahụ eme? I am asking you. Can't you go home? Ije eme mmadụ arrest lukwa ebe a gụ na onye ime arrest dọrọkwa na police station. Ọhụ imere arrest ma onweghị arrest. Because at the end of the day, you did not go to anywhere yesterday. That your program yesterday to strangulate at one place. Email mother arrest, jekwa na police station, ruo ebe a sukela na ebe a. Kena hana, edo no gide ebe a. Na-eche onye ya abịa ka go na edo no rukwu okwu. Unu ka mụ na ahụ na-ekwu. Ịghọta go, ka ife mụ na ahụ na-ekwu. Kedu ife mụ na ahụ na-ekwu? Unu bebezi akwa unu mere expect ka anyị pụta na ebe. My only happiness is that they have already if I'm Victor Ntogo can block or man before my block or let me answer you Ntogo you may respect can put a bewa kwa kono Ntogo you may respect him put can bewa kwa kono a bezima kwa a say boy you don't know how to talk atoro susupu boy so populu si eba boy so ono email respect I put a bewa kwa tibe mpu they are doing this onye ahụ na nga na oyiwa anaghọ onye ahụ na nga na oyiwa anaghọ as far as ị nọ na Nigeria malụ that one day imeti ife mmadụ ya eji decide ya oke ka m wee polisi je kpụrụ onye ewe polisi bịa kpụrụ akpụrụzie iwu na-ekwu okwu ịghọtago emeta ife ekwu okwu ọnụ na-eselebreti na-akpụja Ogechi ifela ahụ eme ụnụ Ogechi eje paakị sịrị na mantuman ifela ahụ emeghị nwaanyị ka ị na-asị na mantuman so tata ka ikwetalụ na Ogechi wu nwoke ka ọwụ mana na-agwa asịsị na Ogechi wu nwoke ikpehu mana ijesi kpụrụ Ogechi esizie na mantuman nwunye gị nwere taịm ịhapụ ife unu na-emego na nwunye gị gbalụ ka o jefuo Ogechi were ebule ma onye Ogechi is more like a celebrity. You want to go? So all of you gbajekunu jefie because anya furu ugo ya olu ugo adafu ugo kwada. You may not see her again. You want to go? You may not see her again. So all of you ran to station to go and see Ogechi. Onya ki iji kwado ije me mmadụ arrest. Ịkwadoro ije me mmadụ arrest kpọrọ nwunye m ka nwunye uje wole anya na abụfụ Ogechi maka ka o je n'ifu ọkarịsịa nwaanyị a na-ekwu n'anya ịghọtago ka o je wole anya na abụ afụ ya maka ekwu aka ka ụnụ fụ ya afụ anya furu ugo yọọlụ ugo ada afụ ugo kwada. Yes, so na kpuo onu ọ bụrụ na Ogechi chọrọ ịyọ biko anyị Ogechi ka ọ doolu ikwu na ene ọ bụrụ na nwere ife unu mere expect ka anyị mee leave us to do that. All the fans of Ogechi because call Biakata yesterday, no katasi ogono. Call Biakata yesterday, no katasi ogono. Now, I want you people to be rest assured that police station is not a bad job. I've always said it, even when Matthias was arrested, even when every other person was arrested. Police station is not a place about a jail woman, number one. Number two, it is not even a sentence. Or arresting somebody is not equal to sentencing that person. You want to go? When you arrest that person, the trial will begin. So, obulife ono yeji ewe panic. You people should not be panic. You want to go? Okay, Alhaji, let me block you so that kiwe money we need for blocking people. Yes, let me start with you. Kiwe money we need. Chinubem, you will not even watch this live stream again. Unless we just make another account. You make another account to be a bad day nonsense. Aris ago to say that woman wanted that arrest. She exposed herself by making videos. That shows you that she knows what she's doing. Hamakwanife, oh hey you how mmadụ unu debela ahụ nọ na-ezo ezo. Ọbata na-eme video be nwa agụ. Jee na hotel ebe ọ nọ. Na-eme video na hotel ebe ọ nọ. She came into Nnewi. She still stayed back in Nnewi. When she has all the resources to be anywhere, she chose to be in Nnewi. Onu na-ekwugheri. Onu na-eche ka o je mi ife ken. Iche na arrange ife onu na ken melu. Adoma Mary. Ide another comment ebe a block one straight. Ide another comment ebe a gotta go. I block one go straight. I will block you straight. Insult I block that will be done on Facebook. Everybody has insulted each other. Nevertheless, only issue not on the ground. We will talk about it. And that is where we are. Who they create is in an unnecessary mountain. They want to go, oh, where anything name, let us see to it. Yes, nevertheless, whatever decision Ogechi decided to take on her own, it is still on her own, and I will still support her. That is me, Ezugo. Adam change. You want to go? Adam change. Look at how you people are celebrating. Manoga arrested Matthias. Unubupta Bible. Unuje preach love and ever. Arrest you. Unubupta Bible. Unuje preach love. Agogo mon. Unya maho nyo na Facebook. Kono ya there. I know you people. J-Pack and the governor Ezioku. You people should hide your face in shame. I don't even have to address both of you. And that is what I have tried not to do in this broadcast. Because otherwise, I could have used the whole time in this broadcast with you. But I don't have time. You gotta go. I don't have time for that. You gotta go. I would have, unlike Ntunu Sieme, I would have used the whole time addressing both of you. But I understand how insignificant both of you are to this arrest. You guys are just Ndemwajozi, Ndemwakunyelu Wejozi. The real players are seated somewhere. You wanna go? And if there is even need to talk to anybody, we talk to the real players and not to Ndemwajozi the phone. I'm not Keroye Devan. Ifere ka ha si wee ṅacha ntị n'igirigi nyaa na-eche ka ha ma na ya bịagbo ka nkọta etu ha si agbọ. Onye nwe time. We talk about real issues. Whatever I say is where I stand. You want to go? Whatever I say is where I stand. You want to go? I have always been of the opinion now arrest young man, both any side that anybody can be arrested. Nevertheless, when you arrest somebody, the real show will begin. That is it. So, Keluki is where arrest a mother. Ngoma arrest a mother. Wapatapazie na Facebook. Bepazie na eme who beg you. He arrest your mother. Nabazie ka gazie yo bayo. Ka chugari bazie. He will arrest your mother. Deme nugo. Ina wala Abuja. Ko ya wa choga ya ayere afo. Onya hatago da afo. Before we bia afo yo ba mbagalo. Na wona mbagalo. Arrest your mother. Sukelu nugo. Nobody is here. Nobody is here. Prove in one day. You want to prove all of this in one day. That is how much time. So much time. So much time for somebody you don't even like. For somebody you don't even like. But unu nwere so much time. Unu nwere unu adịbo disappointed. Happen na onye kwuru na oge echi raise the fund. Have you not seen that I don't really want to talk about those two insignificant people? They are too insignificant. Happen mmadụ na abụọ. When mmadụ na abụọ enwere ife fawo. Leave them. You gotta go. Leave them. I don't want to talk about them. You gotta go. I don't want to talk about them. They are too insignificant for whatever thing that has happened. So talking about them is more like a just supporter. They are when you see they don't be anything to even you gotta go on them what you see how jealousy. Onye jealousy yebu no jealousy. Oje chozi ndo diriozi asia thank you. The only thing we have is jealousy. We don't have how we create a content. How we views. How we chase a cloud. It is not allowed because they are content creators. What is creating content? What content can be more distinct than arresting Ogechi? Do you know what it means? Headline on a phone. Ogechi has been arrested. If common headline, Ogechi is in Nigeria, can make a whole Facebook to shake. What of Ogechi has been arrested? I'm asking you. So Ogechi is the content now. You as a content creator, enjoy the content now while it lasts. Enjoy the groove now. You will opportunity about engagement now. You gotta go. Ana dozi aye. Ana dozi aye kelebe fano. Potano. Kelebe fano potano. You people are crying more than they believe. Why are you crying more than us? We should be the one crying. You gotta go. You gotta go. I don't talk from the both sides of my mouth. From the arrest young mother, but I condemn one arrest is the only also. I celebrate. I don't do that. I've always told you. Anybody can be arrested. Nevertheless, Arisia nwanne m Arisia na mmadụ ka ewu onye sịrị so they weren't even the actual people that arrested Ogechi. Ha enwere muscle ebe ahụ ịfụ ha na-agbagharị olileanya ndị Imo steeti nwere how many local government win chairmanship in one local government mana iwu olileanya ndị Imo conquer godungo ọkpala your place before you refer to the whole Imo state as their savior. Okay, ịfụ enyefe imi ha ya akpa anwụlụ. It's just that na ha enweghị nya enyeghị ike ha ya ana. It's just that na ha enweghị ike. Ịghọtago enyeghị ike ha ya ana. It's just that na fa enwere ike. So when you see them crying, accusation, intimidating, it's just that they don't have the opportunity to do so. They have always bragged about making people to disappear, about doing this, about doing that. It is because they don't have what it takes to do that. That is why they are not doing it. So kita ha jezie yota gbakwunye wee bịa shine no na aba na emegharị video na Nnewi, na emegharị video na Classic Munich na Nnewi. Ọwụlụ na mụ nọ na Nnewi yesterday. Amalụ m ndị Classic Munich nwere ajụjụ ha ka asam na ọwụ na mụ nọ na Nnewi nyaa. But I had lucky. Ọwụ na mụ nọ on my way to Imo State. Ọwụlụ na mụ nọ na Classic Munich yesterday. Onweghị onye ya eme video aka m ebe ahụ. Kedetu onye. Onweghị onye ya snap aka m there. Unu chi ise video ahụ unu pụọ n'ilo unu esebe. Ịghọtago? Mana the rest will be history. Create your content while it lasts. Stop calling us. We should come to you. You shouldn't be the person inviting us to come to you. It is very simple. Iwatago. We should come to you. You shouldn't be the person inviting us to come to you. So it is simple. Arrest has been made. You haven't committed any crime by arresting Ogechi. Iwatago. Let nobody even make you believe like you have committed any crime by arresting Ogechi. You can arrest anybody. You haven't committed any crime by arresting Ogechi. End of quote. Because ife mkpuru na mbụ ka mkpuru tata nya ka mmekwu echi niile. Nevertheless, you have arrested Ogechi. Go home. Let the matter go. Ọka adụ ọka enwe ka ọ yesidu na ọ bụrụ na people like me, Ijuwa, and the rest na cry arrest and then you say, oh, this. But we have not cried to you. If we want to see you, we know where to come and meet you. Yes. Oh no, now we know how to see him. Oh no, Governor Ezioku, we know where to see her, to see him. We will not come to Facebook to see you. That is what I have always been clamoring now. Arrest your people. Do what you are supposed to do and don't come to Facebook to make noise. That is what we did yesterday. I only came to Facebook today because I want to tell all the Ogechi's fans that has been calling me, even up to Imaban yesterday. You got to go? Even up to Imaban yesterday. Yeah? Look at this morning so far. Look at this morning so far. 016, 020, 020, 0035. Okay, last night. 0012. You got to go? This morning. Hey, I made a mistake, you. Look at this morning. 606, 635, 642, 659, 708, 710, 721, 723, 723, 745, 746. I only want to tell my people and our people, You people should relax. Arrest Adro equivalent to Igbo Geshi. Nobody is going to buy her because she has not done anything that will warrant her to be buyed. But rather, what these people did was that they exercised their rights as Nigerians to bring anybody before the police for questioning or for settlement. That is what they did. So they have not done anything that is outside. The Emmanuel David Afogongo Odomma Anu Afrongo Nsowado Dalu Hinde o. What they have done is not something that is actually out of place. Why the police station is there is for you to walk in there whenever you have misunderstanding with people, and that is what they have done. They have not done anything wrong. They gotta go. We have real issues on the ground we are settling. It is not about social media banter or what. Are you getting me? So this is to assure all the fans of Ogechi that there is no cause for alarm. A lot of you have raised a lot of concern about what has happened. Your concern has been well registered, and I can assure you that everything is under control. Everything is under control. So sit back while we get the matter talking. I will update you people if there is an update to give you people. If you don't hear from me, know that we are working. Nobody will allow Ogechi to be there, contrary to what they are saying. Forget about what they are saying. What they expected was to see people running helter-skelter so they can make video. But we did not give them opportunity to make further videos. They became agitated for nothing. Or when they arrest their mother, you go home. Police custody is not your house. Police cell, police station is not your house. When the police have successfully conducted their decision of arresting somebody, you go home. They can choose to follow you. But how you people planned it on Obena station, blue camera, and nobody is here, nobody is here. What do you want me to come there to come and do with you? Kerifi Cholo? Ngu mela arrest, ngu kwa neba akwa na ndem mada acho hebia fo. Ngu arrest mmadụ, ngu kwa neba akwa na ndem mada acho hebia fo for settlement. I don't understand. You started talking about Ogechi's fans. I'm talking now, and what I am telling you is the real issue. You want to go? What I am telling you now is the real issues. You want to go? Happen if I police station is not equal to a prison sentence. So let us sit back. We cannot come back on the message. I don't do that. No, I don't do that. Anybody can arrest anybody. But when you do arrest, you go home. Or when they arrest you, and they choose to come to you. It is up to them. It is not up to you to give them direction of what to do. Allow those people to come to you. You don't have to carry your camera everywhere looking for people. How many of you went to Abuja? 12 days to 14 days. How many of you came to Abuja? Yeah, you people said you have everything under control. I don't want to start using your own words against you. That is not what I want to do. I remember, like I said, I've been here to talk about two people that are insignificant in what has happened. You want to go? I did not come here to talk about two people who are so jobless that they have time to parade camera everywhere, while the real people who did what they did were somewhere drinking champagne on them bajosi jealousy. You want to go? So, you should go home and wait. Oh no, because I have this, because now no, we know, and you know what I am saying. You want to go? And the issue of Ogona arresting on mother side, who arrested the person? Why should I even start talking about who arrested Ogechi? The fact remains that anybody can be arrested. Hear it from me. Go back to all my videos. I have always said anybody can be arrested, excluding nobody. Anybody can be arrested. So why should I be interested in who arrested? Only arrested Ogechi. I believe no one will reason arrest Ogechi. So let us get down to the matter. Yes, if at the end of the everything there is need for Ogechi to make restitution of Ogechi to take another, then we will see. I'm not coming to Facebook to come and raise doors everywhere. That is what I have been advising you people, and that is what we are doing now. For you to know that we practice what we preach. Now, no na afro onye na abia na Facebook abia etimpu intimidation never. Onu mapụtakwa wolukwa aka unu kuwe unu kulu unu na asa. Unu na ekwu unu jikwa aka unu na asa onwe unu. That is how I fail to understand. Unu ma na ife unu na agba awu oguko unu na anu ma na emu ne deba na unu si from the peaceful side. Onye nwe time. You gotta go. Ogo unu na deba no one see from the peaceful side. Man, we could look at people. Oje to can we could. Either yesterday, this one is go never on camera. Each and Namona who wofu. Do you actually think that Namona who wofu? Upon now, one year event of yesterday has he not shown you that Namana on your capacity? Has he not shown you? You are waiting for me to come yesterday to come and say what exactly? What do you want me to come and say? To come and cry. Ogechi has been arrested. Those people who arrested her, God will do this one. Was that what you were expecting me to come yesterday to say? I have shocked you. I shocked you. I shocked you. You gotta go. Yes. You gotta go. I shock go. You gotta go. I shock go. People na megale. Ogechi na dey park in Ewoku. In a romance yoku. Na megale ko why na? Your direction is very clear. Now, what you don't understand is that a coward. This is the real situation. That is what a real man does. Because you don't want a showy offending that. To you, what is paramount to you is to build your Facebook page. What is paramount to you is to build your Facebook page. And for as long as no one shall build the page, let everything scatter. You don't care. For as long as nation you build your Facebook page, let everything scatter. You can't say this so that people will quote you. No, we kukulifa. Yet all your actions, all your posts, and all your write-ups are pointing at where you are standing. Why can't you go and stand there as a man? Why can't you go there and stand as a man that you are? You want to go? So when you were waiting for me to on my camera yesterday, I was attending to issues Nangobara and also following up according to what I should do for Ogechi. Yes, I owe Ogechi my solidarity. How I do that is none of your business. You want to go? How I do that is none of your business. You should wait until we come to you to beg you. Then if you want to forgive, you forgive. You should not be inviting us all around. Where are they? They did not come. They did not come. What point exactly do you want to prove? Yes. So, what is my business? If Ogechi decided by herself, out of her own discretion, that I want to settle, it is still her decision, not me. It is not me. That is for both of you now. Say, Ijele Menka. That is not the kind of fan I am. The only thing I owe Ogechi is to give Ogechi the best support I can, to the best of my ability. Whatever she decides to do on her own, I cannot argue that or contest that. You gotta go. You gotta go. I believe the apata ane mkpoto ane nyegari mkpoto ebe niile. You gotta go. You gotta go. Everything is under control. For you na agla ide. For you na agla ide. Shelu go to kai gulu oge nke ije. This is the one. Shelu mgbe ai gulu oge nke ije. Then you wepu oku. You gotta go. If you people can still be defending and standing with Ijele, saying that the end will justify the means after 8 months or 9 months, why are you jumping up one day Ijele allowed you in detention for over 8 months to 9 months. You are not bothered. But you are bothered about Ogechi sleeping in police custody for 1 night. Is that how much you love Ogechi? I am asking you. Is that how much you love Ogechi? I never knew you love Ogechi more than Ijele. Yes. Hey? Ijele has been in custody for over 8 months to 9 months. Ngunwa, not in solidarity with Ijele. You have not done anything but barely 24 hours after arrest of Ogechi. You people are already turning down on yourselves. Now the guru ngunu nisina to say. Yeah? Who is asking for your help? Yeah? Who is asking for your help? That help you want to give Ogechi. Ngunwa, I love Ogechi. Go and give it to Ijele. Ijele is the man you love. That help you want to give to Ogechi, when we know that you have wished Ogechi everything the bad, go and give it to Ijele. Ijele needs it here because Ijele is the one you love and he's the one you stand in solidarity with. Okari Hetua. Yes. Okari Hetua. So, I'm very happy that at least una write up. Continue writing. We did not say asịrị na ụmụ ọkpụ sịrị na ha atụwaghị anya mana ha bịara wuru ngazi ebiri ụmụ ọkpụ nni ụmụ ọkpụ wee sị na ha atụghị anya na ebi ha nni mana ha bịara wuru ngazi ịghọtara so unu ebezi na akwa more than the bereaved. If there are people who should be crying ịghọtago, it should be us. If we are not crying, I mean, why are you crying? Yeah? If we are not crying, why are you crying? Why are you crying? You are crying our cry. You are helping us to cry. Yeah? You are helping us to cry. Yeah? You are helping us to cry our own cry. Continue helping us. Ndị ezigbo mmadụ. Ndị ezigbo mmadụ. Ọfọchara ife niile follow ike ndị mmụọ ka ọgọnọ ka a na-akpọ ya. Unu niile nyakọrọ moto. Chere ije mee vidio. Unu jere ije mee vidio. Ka anyị abịaghọzi. Kedu ife unu jepụtasị yesterday ahụ? Because if ijere ka ibe elu oge echi. Ịrụzi ebe ahụ ịfụ anyị. In our Fusi, Kerifin and fly, you did not see any of us. It's all the name for her geogeshi. It's all name for her one no geshi now for no name for high. If you have problem with Ogeshi, arrest your geshi, or wouldn't know geshi may arrest now, go there not there. Then it shall peace according to Ifine, but now Bachana J Park Yoku, now for any of us. What do you want to do with any of us when the principal person you are looking for is there? The actual person you are looking for is seated right there with you. If there is anybody to give consent for anything, it should be Ogechi sitting there with you. Yes. If there is anybody to apologize if there is need, it should be Ogechi sitting there with you. Why are you looking for us and not Ogechi's husband of immediate family? That is to show you the silly video Onoshorokunu made. We did not give you people opportunity to make that video. Maybe see another video. Go. Yes. This guy can block or yeah. We blow we put at this time. Piam, off you go. Off you go. So my people, all the lovers of Ogechi and all the Ezugo nation that has been calling since yesterday, I want to assure you people, like I said before, arrest is not a prison sentence, and arrest is not equal to Igbo mmadụ. All of you should sit back. We are doing something, and we are doing something. You want to go? We are doing something. You people should not panic. Ogechi is in the police custody. That should be the safest place anybody should be in Nigeria. Because no we family emergency police. So why should you be panicking? Don't panic. You want to go? Don't panic. The prison police custody is the safest place anybody can be at this height of insecurity. So you people should not bother. We are doing the best we can. We are doing the best we can. We are doing everything though necessary. Madu yeme na arrest ya madu. You want to go? Oh, na arrest ya madu in Nigeria. And when things do necessary for you to do. Shekina. Even if you don't want to do those things, there are still something you should do. You want to go? That is the procedure. So all those people coming to Facebook to come and tell you this, what are they telling you? Arrest your mother. There are necessary things for that person to do. And we are telling you that we are surely doing that. Okay, you want to go? You know, pass like that. I will end it here. Share this video and just know that now happen them bajozi. You other go happen back and them bajozi. I am and them bajozi. Them bajozi and do timpua. You other go Hana da enyem otumo than ndoga. You other go ndoga yali epuku ndoga no somewhere hana nguti na eri barbecue fish. Na check ha mare ife ogi ibe ha nwere ike ime. Umu boya no na field tiri mbu na akpagali. Honestly, somebody who can make that arrest. Yes, bring this person. Bring this person. Bring him out. Roll him out. Put him in the car. Mweje arrest Matthias na mbo. If I your name I am asking you. Mweje arrest Matthias na mbo. Did you see Akosayon in that video? Did you see him in that video? Yes. Mweje arrest one day Obi Kubana Nando to her. Mweje arrest Chaha. Such kind of arrest. Did you see the complainant there? You can't see them. So what we warrant somebody you got instruction on what to do to carry camera. Then a classic munition. Or go zi kezi ligu. It is very simple. Yes. It is very simple. When Matthias was arrested, you did not see anybody in there. The only thing in front of the police, in fact, the one who made the video, window to Matthias, the stream live. Na Facebook page Matthias, the man to wake up about the video. It wasn't those who came to arrest him that made that video. When Ijele was arrested, you did not see it in the video. Did you even see the people who arrested Ijele? You only saw when he appeared in court. Did you see the video anywhere? That is to show you that these people are, according to Dibia Konushe. Let me even agree with him for once. Let me agree with him for once. He said, I see Governor Ezioku as somebody who is seeking for every opportunity to gain relevance. He is seeking for every opportunity to gain attention. That is what I see these guys as. All the arrests so far that I say on Facebook. Even when Matthias himself, I agree with it, jail arrested Alusebu Global. Did you see it? Even when he went to arrest Nwoke Kelafaya, security man, did you see him there? Even Matthias, did you see him there? You only saw a picture of somebody that was handcuffed when we talked to Wopie. He will camera everywhere. Now, Nemelu Maru, Advocacy hotel every. Now, everywhere. Everywhere. You will come in the back. We will come in the now, everywhere. Because you want to show yourself. That is to show you the kind of jokers you people are. That is to show you the kind of jokers you people are. Yeah? Content creators. That is what you people are. Content creators. And you keep answering that name. Even in the middle of serious arrest, you went to arrest Ogeshoki Kenjaka or Karisia Mwani. After you said she will not enter Nigeria. Echeko nunu je na airport. Ti database ye. Koya akuha bari ozugbo. Onwe red alert. I was expecting to hear. No na entry point ke bujo Ogeshi. I was expecting to hear na emelo Ogeshi arrest na airport. Owe wolele na Ogeshi bata Nigeria. No 2 days. Ewe mo Ogeshi arrest na Nnewi. Shame on you people. So even in uru na enye mkpọtụ na Ogechi nọ na wanted list na Ogechi land ya ebure na airport. So if I want to fukuru na-ekwu, it has to take you people to go and lodge in complaint to actually come and arrest Ogechi. So you did not arrest Ogechi based on existing cases ni uru na-ekwu. It has to take you to arrest Ogechi for you to start doing a lot of mugu konuko. Akunu si eme ejikwa kwa nke a wee mara ụnụ. Onye a na-achọ achọ. The moment they land in the airport, I am low. Only an charge for over 1 year or 2 years. You want to go? You want to go? Only an charge for 1 year or 2 years. But an airport, gafe like a queen. Ono bia sion. Eh? Ono bia sion. Eh? Ono bia si ọnwụ fela aye mo no na ada agokwu no na-ekwu ọnụ na Ogechi da na airport ebunie ye from airport. Yeah? Na Ogechi da na airport ebunie ye na airport. Ogechi bata na airport gafe airport bata Nnewi chechasi event na Nnewi na hotel ebe ọnụ boy camera na hotel ebe ọnụ. Boy camera na hotel ebe ọnụ. Ono bia charge akara ati nke ikpeazụ. I call this the last kick of a buying horse. I call this the last kick of a buying horse. You want to go? This is all you people can do. I know. You want to go? I know. This is all you people can do there. Yeah? This is all you people can do. Only if also, even in an affair, Ogechi cannot come to Nigeria. Eh? This is how you people, this is the only thing you people can do. To go and arrest her with police. And we all know that police are able mad. Except no loan and kijele. Ono happy if you yeme. Nyegare one poto. That is the only thing to difference. Ono happy if you yeme. Nyegare one poto. Nan kijele. That is it. That is it. So, my people, I will implore you people to pipe down low. On any update, I will give you people. Forget about all this nonsense update. Wait, if there is any update, as we go, we update you people accordingly. Happen on the content creators. How do you put the camera in? I am a gas. Father, you have put that they are not for help. Yes, I even if it will happen if I what is in a Facebook kind? What's in a Facebook kind? Because I have to be off because I have something very important to attend to. And before I go, because I saw some of them want to call that arrested. Onye kwoku na arrest ya. Onye kwoku na arrest ya. I hope you have seen clearly. I hope you have seen clearly that I know why I don't want to cry. I have a back on arrest Ogechi. I told you, they did the right thing. Okay, for it once we was arrest Ogechi. Now they arrest Ogechi did the right thing. That they carried out their fundamental human right. In fact, it was their right and their freedom they exercised. Because I didn't arrest Mr. Okonkwo. The same thing. If you can condemn or arrest Ogechi, I have never condemned arrest Ogechi for once in this broadcast. So let it be known that I never condemn the arrest. In case if anybody is arrested tomorrow or next, even me or you, so that you will know that arrest is the normal thing. Anybody can arrest anybody. So, in a shake and potabia condemn with the arrest. You are joking. You are joking. But because from onset, police is a place to go and settle issues. But when they see the arrest, I don't know. But mark my word today. Call you anybody arrested. This same thing and go get you. Say need wicked. I have never in this broadcast, for the record purposes, condemned the arrest of Ogechi. In quote, I have never done that, just like I never did in the previous arrest. Amen. So it's not like I've taken side. Nevertheless, all the lovers of Ogechi, cool down. Everything is under control. Believe me, Ogechi, sentence and the Ogechi Jonah police custody. I said police is the safest place you can go and settle issues with somebody, and that is what they have done. So they just exercise their right. Let the people who are supposed to do something, let us do what we have to do. That is what is important. You are joking. You are joking. You are expecting us to go to come online yesterday to start crying. They're saying they are intimidating Ogechi. They are doing this just like people. I will not do that. I will not do that. Yes. I will not do that. Yes, I will not do that. Oh, no, when they not condemn arrest. Say na kosayo ji arrest, they threaten them mad. But who ji this something? Who they threaten? Man, do no how you disappear. It is because you don't have the will and the power to do so. Now, today, you have hidden yourself in the muzzle of another person. Now, instead of allowing that person to a celebrity arrest. In fact, more than instead of the police, instead of police, and thank God that Ogechi did not resist arrest. Thank God that Ogechi did not resist arrest. When the police came to her, she followed them. When the police made entry to where she is, she simply followed them. We did not see any place where Ogechi is resisting. And we did not see that. She simply followed them. That is what we have been preaching. So, when anything not there to even be jumping up and jumping down. When you arrest somebody, you go home. All and the family only arrest they come to you. Money arrest Shamado. Don't always say in a police station and they show you you are joking. You are creating content. And that content will not last. That content will not last. Another message to you. You shouldn't be panicking that Ogechi spent the 1 night, 2 nights, or even 10 nights in a police custody. When your favorite Ijele in Aserai Dawn no go na detention for over 8 months to 9 months, does it mean that you now love Ogechi more than Ijele? Every single thing you think you could have done for Ogechi, when we know that you are not her follower, you don't love her. We don't need all this fake love. Anything you feel you could have done for Ogechi, why did you not do it for Ijele? That is the question. He's the one you love. He's the one you have been chanting up and down. Ride on, ride on. So, what is it you think you can do for Ogechi that you did not do for Ijele? That is the question I'm asking you. So, nobody is begging you for sympathy. Yes. Nobody. Ogechi in America. Thank you very much. Ogechi in America. She knows how to cooperate with the police. She knows the right and necessary things to do when the police arrest you. And that is what we are doing. She knows the right steps and things to do when police arrest you. That is what a government should start teaching our people. Yes, in Zambia, my worker has called police for me. Police bomb, I walk in and when I was called, I didn't even know that it was Shenshe, not now the complainant. Until I walk into Matero Police, I saw him seated one place. I came into the police station. Then I sorted everything out and I left. So if my worker can call police for me, then what is there? All these countries knows how the system works. Yes. All the man arrest him mother side on Amaputa, that is what you people were expecting us to do yesterday. But we did not do that. Salaka. Ono wabulu, ono wanaju kele onye na-egbu. Oduze kodetua. Oduze kodetua. Tepa kele gọvanọ eziokwu chọrọ ka ha nala aka na ọkpọ onye ọzọ tiri. Anyị ma onye tiri ọkpọ. Ịghọtago? Anyị ma onye tiri ọkpọ and contrary to what you people do, you keep speculating. No onye oge arrest Ijele or Matayase. Ebuka Obi, all Zion. I don't have to do that either. Yes, even if I have to do that, it is not now. You got to go. So I arrest the Hamadu now. No, I can say the arrest. I am telling you that we know the actual people, and we don't need to ask that question. We don't need to ask you that question because you don't have the answer to that question, but we have the answer to that question. So what would be the point coming to come and say, when you should be doing something, get down to work and do something. Okay, yeah? So, because nde follow me yesterday, and my own one on a phone, mana only one once, one twice, may pick you phone because she look as say I will call you back. Oh, because edge my phone and make something. I want to call on our bata every minute, every second. I cannot concentrate and do anything. I cannot even make any. I can't do anything because I want to on my phone. I want to make pick you. Call back again. Oh, in space, then you call back again. But I am assuring you people that Ogechi aga nwanwu. Onwe Ogechi. Ogechi will na police custody or no. So there is nothing that is going to happen. I can assure you that. So I still remind your favorite Ezugo, share this video so that all the fans of Ogechi, and when they stream yesterday, Ezugo, we will never allow you to rest. We will never allow you to rest until you give us updates of your silent beacon. Agwagomon. There is nothing that will happen to Ogechi. You gotta go. Ogechi is back home and she is back home for good. Whether somebody likes it or not, Ogechi has set down food in his fatherland. Mansion she has moved inside it, contrary to what other people said, that she will only be building, but she will not come inside the follow. So whether they like it or not, Ogechi is back to Nigeria. They said they can never happen. They said she can never come back. Ogechi is back to Nigeria, whether they like it or not. She went through the airport. She did not use cargo. She made video herself. She even made video na hotel ebono. So, na uoje la hola. You gotta go home and sleep. Happen them photo. We know them. Happen them photo. We know them. Ozi okwa ni ihu akwụkwọ anyị nọ since. You gotta go. Oh, ni ihu akwụkwọ ebe anyị nọ since. BP tụrụ ha the moment afọ video Ogechi online. BP tụrụ ha sịrị ọgụ na ụda ife a. Achọzie ka esi n'ahụ ọnwụ. Achọzie ka esi ọnwụ. Ịghọtago ka esi ọnwụ ife a na-akpọ nke ahụ the last kick of a buying horse. Nya ka akụ n'ahụ ọkpọ nke ikpeazụ. Hey! Ịghọtago.